opportunity for a better life. And them kill me pity. Now you tell me how do I move on, how do I deal with that?
The policeman started pointing on him and stand let me know. The time okay, I think we'll kill you go down on the knees. I said I'm going down on my knees. I said, oh, you come to kill people. All the high everybody line up on the wall here. Saying I start up there. So the policeman go up on the wall, get Iris man on the wall, Cyrus man.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Well, this is episode 2 of YANK, You Ain't No Killer. And this episode is called Duss. So remember now, this is EZ-M Productions out of Toronto. And this are movie star Louie Rankin, BANDE, Smurf, I think Tony Bravo, and a lot of other people. With this movie here, it was the last movie Louie Rankin did before he died. And like I said, a new entire reality documentary movie will be dropping early next year by Karma, you understand, by EZ-M Productions. So listen, I ain't gonna hold you guys up. I want you guys sit back, relax, get a beer, roll a spliff, and watch this episode. Episode 2, it's called Duss, YANK, You Ain't No Killer by EZ-M Productions. Peace.
By preemption, you know a fool, you know a darkness. Your Bluetooth, you know a dark, a fool. Your ting fong, your run, nothing more. Strike force, better some boy end up in a coffin. 4. Me risk my life for the ones who would that die for me. Fuck at them, the real pussy, them been a lie to me. Your girlfriend, I inquire too, she likes me. See my dog 10 locks, I love off the guy minutes. Ooh, I just the truth. But from lunch, pan and khaki suit too. Why do you, while I'm risking a fuck, our badness different. Come a killer them don't normal, bust them head and kill it witness. Bluetooth them pussy, they no bad. Oh, them a send me for dead and him devil when I'm a
you ain't no killer, you ain't no bad man for me. You run your mouth, we run these streets. You ain't no killer.
He went in the search of opportunity for a better life. And them kill me pity. Now you tell me how do I move on, how do I deal with that?
The policeman started pointing on him and stand let me know. The time okay, I think we'll kill you go down on the knees. I said I'm going down on my knees. I said, oh, you come to kill people. All the high everybody line up on the wall here. Saying I start up there. So the policeman go up on the wall, get Iris man on the wall, Cyrus man on the wall. Policeman just started beating up people.
You run your mouth, we run these streets. You ain't no killer, you ain't no killer.
Yo dog, me warn him dog, you see me? And the boy don't listen brother, that says him get shot brother, protect myself because he easy brother. You see me, and the thing with Grinch, we still try to sort out the situation dog. The girl tell you, come and go get clapped, and that's how we send for you, my general.
You say I'm ready.
Brother, there's some killing that go on right now, brother, because the boy will be over this way, brother, and fuck up himself.
That man said dog, we don't know how to make them thing out, me killer.
Dog, right? You don't even know what to tell him, my God, but you don't know why chopping a dog.
I don't know, me never two dip on the bag of joke thing.
No, man.
But I figure fly right now, you know, like body bag boy, I figure drop right now.
Brother, one thing alone you come and fly now. Just batter go fly and you cut back.
So now that me I try to show you right now, me dip on the bag of plating right now.
Your foot hot right now too.
Organize right now.
Your foot hot too, brother.
But when I'm killer, I'm there for day too long, you know, I just want to fly, but I make moves, you know.
So watch out, so come on, man, I try to show you so we go get to brother. We know where the boy there, you know. We know when there. So that me I try to show you, so just go on for link and just make him know, say, yo, go easy and just go lay low, brother, for him get clapped. But that's how it's said for you, my general.
Right, you know, that me I try to tell you, say, that alone, me come here so to depend right now, because I know one day so too long, me kill her right now, I just murder.
Right now, that one thing alone, me I talk about, brother, we just go catch the boy them.
So not that one fast car or a fast bike right now, and we dealt with the mission where you deal with her.
That's what I'm saying, so you there, so brother. Winch drop out in the brother, you see me, so I see you, I'm going to make a comment for no reason, my God.
And that me I say, me could get to the match, brother, because boy, not fit there hospital, you know. You think my friend not fit there hospital, boy, if you lead down for them things there, that me I tell you.
Man, we have a thing them, like a thing them up there, you know, brother. We go matter the crime, brother. One buckler, brother.
I just been fucking with angels and demons. Get active, wake up, my brother, you dreaming. If I want it, I get it, you know that I mean it. I don't talk, but I got my reasons. I just been fucking with angels and demons. Get active, wake up, my brother, you dreaming. If I want it, I get it, you know that I mean it. I don't talk, but I got my reasons.
Pretty angel with the hands of a devil, keep me shining like a diamond devil. A different lifestyle, meet a brand new level. Head full of demons, heart of a rebel. Dwelling in hell with visions of evil. Me keep the heat on like the steam from the kettle. City turn up loud, be a state where the trouble. Martin Luther King dream, so me and a rebel. Me tell about my city, me tell about my island. Same time you're this, at the same time you're diamond. Hunting the dirt, searching for the diamond. Brave and bold with the heart of a lion. Shift for the left, uppercut Mike Tyson. The beast fully grown is a venomous bison. Lungs to kill, but they stop them no license. Pussy violate and the dirty I got stifle. Yeah, I just be fucking with angels and demons. Boy violate and me tell him go a dreamland. Yeah, him skin burn up, ghost white like a sneakers. No girl wears none of bad man features. No.
I just been fucking with angels and demons. Get active, wake up, my brother, you dreaming. If I want it, I get it, you know that I mean it. I don't talk, but I got my reasons. I just been fucking with angels and demons. Get active, wake up, my brother, you dreaming. If I want it, I get it, you know that I mean it. I don't talk, but I got my reasons.
Man, I just been fucking with angels and demons. I swear that my brother, I seen him. I pop up in the cut with my brother, no speaking. Put two in his gut, then I'm leaving. Nah, that ain't how I'm feeling. I might take a girl, just depends how I'm feeling. Blow cheese to the spirits, one time to the ceiling. I want my peas them long, man, I feel it. Make it rain when it's sunny, I get money on the low. Man, I'm on the mains, getting gully with my bro. Make a pay just to stay, got no money for a hoe. You ain't getting paid, you ain't funny, you're a joke. She ain't never met a nigga like this. Thick brown, make a nigga wanna hit her like Chris. Sit down, nigga, you ain't never been in my bitch. Shorty telling me she never been a sinner like this.
When it's sunny, I get money on the low. Man, I'm on the mains, getting gully with my bro. Make a pay just to stay, got no money for a hoe. You ain't getting paid, you ain't funny, you're a joke. She ain't never met a nigga like this. Thick brown, make a nigga wanna hit her like Chris. Sit down, nigga, you ain't never been in my bitch. Shorty telling me she never been a sinner like this.
Who do we have here? Officer Ford. Officer Carlton Ford. Special Constable. Inspector. Better known as Chicken. That's how we like to call him. I remember one time, Officer Ford, Chicken, stumbled upon us drinking rum. And he ended up on the wrong end of the stick. And ever since then, he's had a vendetta out to get us, especially me in specific, and the world general. Now look at him. As the saying goes, who don't hear will feel. Don't take him simple. Chicken is a very dangerous man. You see substance abuse? That's a very dangerous beast.
Get me? But I'll get into that a little more later. Right now, I have some hot skulls to deal with. Bright Star, Rotten Ned, Booby, Killa, especially the one them called Black Angel. The fucker them lucky. Easy money, baby.
Real, sweet, sorrow. Sweet, sorrow, sorrow, sorrow. R1. Sweet sorrow, gun on me, never borrow. Just trying to make it to tomorrow. And they hate the fact I'm still on road. And they changed up on me like I changed clothes. And the last one was fake, so I changed toes. And the judge came and took away 2 bros. Never been shot, but been too close. Yes, I'm finessing, but Kizzle is stressing. My missile is dissing, I can't see the children. She says I'm a villain, got me in my feelings. Just give me a minute, my nigga, I'm venting. My brother got life and I'm missing me second. Free G. My brother got life and I'm missing me second. Skippy, beat up his charges. We was happy, then they dipped him right out the country. That's fuckery, I'm with demons and zombies. So whoop whoop, my eyes got 2 sticks, I'm dually. Got that style from HG. Blue tips in the FN. My Damu nigga so different. Draco in the oven, blood walking in the kitchen. You don't have to say it, don't slide. Reach for this, you gon' die. Me and you is not size. You ain't really outside. You need drugs to go ride. I pack the drugs in the luggage and I fly. Chicken, no churches, no Popeyes. They get nervous, they go online. Vaughn Road, Oakwood Avenue, nigga. VO. Mob click, it's a fact. R1, zoom, let's go. Base sliding with the goons SUV. They ain't there, so go back, I'm dually. I'm scared I deaded the tox. Touch the road and deaded they block. Free the ops, free the ops, free the ops. Catch a bill, then you catching a shot. Free the ops, free the ops, free the ops. Catch a bill, then you catching a shot. Base sliding with the goons SUV. They ain't there, so go back, I'm dually. I'm scared I deaded the tox. Touch the road and deaded they block. Free the ops, free the ops, free the ops. Catch a bill, then you catching a shot. Free the ops, free the ops, free the ops. Catch a bill, then you catching a shot. Getting money, I'm filling the bag. Crash when he tried to swerve into my lane. Smoking the head as I build it in flame. They don't want it and I put that on gang. Catch an egghead, I'ma make him a stain. Dead smoke got me higher than planes. 2 guns, I've been out of my brain. 17 rolling around with a K. Picking back bullet with my nigga Ray. Gritty girl, me and price that we stay. Keep a weapon in case they invade. Hit a nigga, we cracking the egg. Lizzie filled with some niggas that's dead. All my niggas dripping blood red. The opposition pussy talking to feds. They got my brother life locked in the feds. Fuck the other side still in effect.
Let me call you back. Yo, fuck you doing in here?